Hello, it's Linda here from Memories and Photos, coming to you from my craft studio. So I'm here to show you one of my scrapbox kits. It's easy for me to say. This one is called Vie, and you'll see why when I show you it. So I'll start off with some of the printed pages, and then we'll move on to some of the other components of the kit. So if you are interested in this kit, you can hop over to memoriesandphotos.co.uk, click on shop, click on Scrapbox Kits, and you'll see all the available kits in there. Now, my Scrapbox Kit club members get the first pick of the kits. If there's any left after that, they are put on the website for anyone to buy. But the Scrapbox Kit members actually get extra perks as well. So they get extra gifts and extra components in their parcels. And they get, amongst other things, they get 10% discount on everything else in the shop, including residential retreats. So if you're interested in that and getting a guaranteed kit every month, and hop over and again, check on the website. It's under Scrapbox Kits, and look for the clubs section, and it will tell you everything that you get as extra perks for being a club member. Right, so onward, let's have a look at the kit. Now, I need to remember to turn this around because it's facing me. So this is Vie, and the first thing you get is some cutting components. So if you're into fussy cutting, you'll like this one. Oh, yeah, there we go. The lighting isn't perfect here. There are two blue tinted weatherboard pages with some Finding Nemo fish on the back. Two underwater theme pages, and these ones have got yachts on the back. So it's perfect for seaside holidays. Doesn't this just remind you of beach huts? So definitely beach huts. And or maybe if your beach hut isn't painted, they might be this colour. If you're feeling a little bit lazy and you don't want to do major scrapbooking, these pages are brilliant because they've got the frame already on them. You can just put a couple of photos on and you're done. If you want to jazz them up, then you can use the fussy cutting components to pad out the embellishments on this page. So we've got this kind of weather-beaten orange. And on the back of this are your journaling boxes. So you cut those out and write your journaling on them and then stick them on the page. It takes out the jeopardy of making a mistake, because you can always rewrite them again with a different box if you do it wrong. Two more beautiful designs with seaside themed flowers and shells, or maps on the back. So that's all the printed pages. I'll show you the cardstock in this kit. So this is dark beige, and we have light beige and white, some orange, and these are all coordinating with the pack. Yellow, light blue, and some dark blue. And the plain cardstock is all 210 GSM. The printed pages are 250. So that's just the card. So there's more in the kit. It really is packed with stuff. So you also get a set of letters. You get some extra cardstock embellishments. travel stickers. Again, it's difficult to show you on the camera, but if you go over on the website and have a look at the shop entry for C'est La Vie, you'll be able to zoom in and see them a bit better. And there's also a set of everyday stickers. Can you see that? They've got days of the week on them. I'm going to hold something up to show you this one because it's difficult to see otherwise. This is a set of clear stamps. So travel themed clear stamps. So you've got a globe, you've got a world, you've got film. Is that focusing? Yeah, there we go. They've got a whole set of those stamps included in the kit. You have some little bunting, which you can colour if you wish, or put on as it is. It will match the kit as it is, but you can colour it out with inks or paints if you want to. And finally, a set of paper flowers. So all of that is included in the kit for the same price. And additionally, I always throw in a set of my page sketch designs so that you don't have to waste time thinking about the design as well. And if you get the kit every month, obviously you'll build up a collection of those, and you'll be able to access them at workshops, and it'll give you a lot of inspiration and save you time, hopefully. So that's all I've got for you today. If you want to see any of the kits, pop over to the website, and in the meantime, happy scrapping.